everyone. How my children? I honorably welcome you all, my dear parents and my dear children. I hope you are doing well. This is your Sabah man. This is your Sabah man. Okay, so let's summarize our today's class and the homework. So let's begin with first recap and recapitulation of all the numbers. And do repeat along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. And now counting from the chat. This you have to practice daily. Now ready? This is my pen and this is your chart. And one more thing. From today I am going to change the pattern of counting. Little bit change. पहले हम बोलते थे 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12. नहीं. Now you are all growing up. So we'll not say 1, 1, 11, 1 to 12. How? In which way I will say you have to repeat in that way. 1, 2, 3, start. Be ready. I am there to help you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 40.
39.
Hey, कुछ गड़बड़ किया? 37, 38, 39, 40. Very good. You have to help me. I will do जानबूझ के mistake. देखते हैं आप लोग कितने alert हैं. Next. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So this is your counting. And today I am going to teach you what, sorry, I already taught in the main class, but today summarize. Count and write. So what is count and write? COUNT, count. Count मतलब गिनना. COUNT, count. Count मतलब गिनना. COUNT, count मतलब गिनना. Now next, WRITE, write. Write मतलब लिखना. WRITE, write. Write मतलब लिखना. I hope you remember in earlier beginning of the class I thought that to you, but they did not do on the notebook. हमने उस टाइम notebook में नहीं किया था, लेकिन आज today we'll do on the notebook. Okay? So top will be heading. Now I'm explaining you. In the count and write game, one side the pictures will be given and other side you will be provided with so many boxes or dash. एक साइड आपके नंबर से ऑब्जेक्ट्स होंगी और दूसरी साइड या तो आपका बॉक्स बना होगा या फिर आपका डैश बना होगा. क्या करना होगा? आपको ऑब्जेक्ट्स को काउंट करना है और उसका आंसर आपको बॉक्स के अंदर लिखना है. एंड while counting you have to be very careful. जब आप काउंट करते हैं बहुत ही ध्यान रखा करिए. Always use your pencil tip. जब हम काउंट करते हैं क्या यूज़ करते हैं? पेंसिल टिप. एंड बी काम. एकदम आराम से काउंट करना है, भागने की ज़रूरत नहीं, अदरवाइज यू विल डू मिस्टेक. राइट? नाउ यू हैव टू हेल्प मी. मैम की हेल्प करेंगे ना? थैंक यू. लेट्स बिगिन. ओके. Oh, these are some beautiful caps. Let's see how many caps do I have. देखिए तो मैम के पास कितने कैप्स हैं. चलिए, do help me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have got 7 caps. Let's check again. हो सकता है ना मिस्टेक की हो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have got 7 caps. How many caps do I have? 7 caps. I will write the answer as 7. I will write the answer as 7. Okay, एक और चीज देखते हैं. I will do something hard. इसको थोड़ा सा हार्ड कर दें. I have brought some tomatoes. Now, do count with me. Count मतलब गिनना. You will count with the help of pencil tip. Now ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many tomatoes do I have? 6 tomatoes. How many tomatoes? 6. You will write the answer as 6. क्या लिखेंगे? 6. फिर से काउंट करते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 tomatoes. I will write the answer as 6. Now, do one more thing. Do one more thing. You love mango? I love a lot. I love mango a lot. Let's see. So many pictures are there. Jug, mango, turtle. But I love to count mango. मैं mango count करना. देखिए कितने mangoes हैं? Only one. We write the answer as 1. So this is called count and write. We counted the objects and we wrote the answer. हमने objects को count किया और जितने आंसर आया, जितने नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स आया, उसको हमने एक बॉक्स या फिर डैश पे लिखा. कॉल्ड काउंट एंड राइट. नाउ द मेन पार्ट ऑफ टुडे, योर होमवर्क. You open your math homework notebook on the first page. Same thing, write today's date 8/5/2020 HW. Second page also 8/5/2020 HW. Okay, this will be your heading. And on the first page you will write the counting from 1 to 50. 1 to 50. 1 से लेके 50 तक काउंटिंग लिखनी है. You have to read and write the counting. Class, leave one box and write. Pencil should be neat and clean, sharp. Box should be neat and clean. And on the second page, dear parents, please help your children. You will write the heading as count and write. I'm repeating the spelling. COUNT, count. COUNT, count. AND, and. AND, and. WRITE, write. WRITE, write. Count and write. This will be your heading. After writing the heading, you will leave one block line. अब एक one block line छोड़ देंगे. उसके बाद next, I have not drawn the objects for your ease. आपकी आसानी के लिए मैम ने ऑब्जेक्ट्स नहीं बनाई हैं. मैम ने आपकी आसानी के लिए बॉल्स बनाए हैं. I have drawn so many groups of balls. So the first group is, कितने balls हैं फर्स्ट में? Dear parents, please note down the number of balls. First is 9 balls. 9 balls dash. Again I'm repeating. 9 balls dash. 9 balls dash. Leave one line. 6 balls dash. 6 balls dash. 6 balls dash. Again leave one line. 8 balls dash. 8 balls dash. Next leave one line. 2 balls dash. 2 balls dash, 2 balls dash. The last question of the count and write is 7 balls dash, 7 balls dash. So my dear children, on the dash you will write the number of balls given in each group. हर ग्रुप में जितने नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स हैं उसको आराम से काउंट करके, पेंसिल टिप से काउंट करके उतने नंबर ऑफ बॉल लिखने हैं. Did you understand? I hope you understood the homework. So this is your today's work and this is your recapitulation of today's class. So stay tuned. Stay tuned with me. Your Sabha ma'am will be right back tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.